students, welcome back to Science class of 7th. In our previous video, we had completed chapter number 10, that is Respiration in Organisms. Now, in today's video, we will be discussing the exercises and question answer of the chapter. I hope you all have understood the chapter very well. So let's get started with our exercise discussion. Okay. So children, first of all, you have to write date, then you have to write chapter number, that is chapter number 10, then chapter name, that is Respiration in Organisms. Okay. After that, you have to write about the chapter, what in this chapter we have studied. So the chapter is about the respiration, types of respiration. इस chapter में हमने क्या पढ़ा? Respiration and types of respiration. Okay. And the chapter also explains the process of respiration in plants, animals and human beings. Okay. So you will write about the chapter like this. Then give next heading, that is key terms. What are the important terms of this chapter? First one is respiration. What is respiration? Oxidation of food with the release of energy in a living body. Now second one, aerobic respiration, the respiration that takes place in the presence of oxygen. Okay. Then third is anaerobic respiration, the respiration that takes place in the absence of oxygen. Okay. Now breathing. What is breathing? The exchange of gases with the intake of oxygen and giving out of carbon dioxide. Okay. Then the next one is cellular respiration. Cellular means related to cell. So the respiration that occurs within the body of the cell. Fermentation. It is incomplete oxidation of food resulting in the formation of alcohol, vinegar or dough. Okay. So fermentation usually occurs in anaerobic respiration. Now spiracles, openings of the trachea on the sides of an insect. Question number 8. Then trachea, fine tubes through which air circulates within the body of an insect. Okay. Then 9th, that is hemoglobin, the red pigment present in our red blood cells which give red color to our blood. Then inhalation, the taking in of air into the lungs is known as inhalation. So these are 10 key terms that you have to write in your copy. Now I will be discussing the very short answer questions.
Children, let's get started. Now we will discuss the very short answer type questions. Question number 1 is, name the process by which energy is released from the digested food. The right answer is respiration. Then question number 2, name the two gases which are exchanged during respiration. Answer is oxygen and carbon dioxide. Then question number 3, state whether the following statements are true or false. First one, respiration is a type of combustion at ordinary temperature. The answer is true. Then B, oxygen is released during the process of respiration. Answer is false. Carbon dioxide is released. Then C, energy can be released in the cells without oxygen. Yes, true. Then, during heavy exercise, the breathing rate of a person slows down. Answer is false. It increases up. Then, E, the size of chest cavity increases during inhalation. Answer is true. Then, F, frogs breathe through lungs as well as skin. Answer is true. Then, G, fish has lungs for breathing. Answer is false. Fish has gills for breathing. Then H, whales and dolphins live in water and breathe through gills. Answer is false. They breathe through nostrils and special structures called blowholes. Then I, insects breathe through spiracles and trachea. Answer is true. Now question number 4, name an animal in which exchange of gases during breathing takes place through its thin and moist skin. Answer is earthworm. Then question number 5, name one animal which can breathe through lungs as well as skin. Answer is frog, because frog is an amphibian. So it can breathe through lungs on land as well as moist skin in water. Then question number 6. Name an animal which breathes through gills. Answer is fish. Then question number 7. Name one animal which gets oxygen for breathing and respiration through tiny holes, spiracles in body which are connected to a network of thin air tubes called trachea. So इस कैटेगरी में इंसेक्ट्स आएंगे एंड यू कैन नेम एनी इंसेक्ट लाइक कॉकरोच, ग्रास हॉपर. ठीक. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. नेम वन ऑर्गेनिज्म इन विच can live without oxygen. So the answer is yeast. Then 9th, name one anaerobe. Anaerobe means what? The organism which can breathe without oxygen. So the answer is yeast. What type of respiration usually takes place in yeast? The right answer is anaerobic respiration. Okay. Now question number 12. Name the single-celled organism which is used to make wine and beer by the process of anaerobic respiration. The answer is yeast. Then question number 13. What happens to your breathing rate when you exercise? So our breathing rate increases, and when we go to sleep, our breathing rate slows down. Okay. Now question number 14a. Name the skeletal structure surrounding the chest cavity. Answer is rib cage. Then B. Name the muscular floor of the chest cavity. Answer is diaphragm. Then question number 15. Which contains more carbon dioxide? Inhaled air or exhaled air? So the right answer is exhaled air. Take. Question number 16. Which contains less oxygen? Inhaled air or exhaled air? Right answer is exhaled air. Then question number 17. Which contains more water vapor? Inhaled air or exhaled air? So the right answer is exhaled air. Question number 18. What are the percentages of oxygen and carbon dioxide in inhaled air? In inhaled air, oxygen का percentage है 21% and carbon dioxide 0.04%. Then in exhaled air, the percentage of oxygen is 16.4 and the percentage of carbon dioxide is 4.4. Okay. Now, name the breathing organs in the human body. So, it is lungs. Now, question number 20. In the lungs, question A. What substance is taken into the body? The right answer is oxygen. And question B. What substance is removed from the body? The answer is carbon dioxide. Question number 21. Which gases are exchanged in our lungs? The answer is oxygen and carbon dioxide. Then question number 22. Where does the blood absorb oxygen in the human body? It is from the lungs in alveoli. Then question number 23. Name the red pigment in blood which carries oxygen in human body. It is hemoglobin. HAEMO globin. GLOBIN. Then question number 24. Name the openings in our body through which we inhale air. That is nostrils. Then question 25. Name one bad habit which can cause lung cancer. So the right answer is smoking. Question number 26. Which group of animals have spiracles and trachea for breathing and respiration? Answer is insects. Then question number 27. What is the average breathing rate of a human adult at rest? Okay, so it is 15 to 18 times per minute. Then question number 28. Name the air tubes of insects. The right answer is trachea. Then question number 29. Name the small openings or holes on the sides of the body of an insect. The answer is spiracles. Then question number 30. Name the tiny pores on the surface of leaves of a plant through which gas exchange occurs. The right answer is stomata. Then question number 31. Name any two parts of a plant through which exchange of gases takes place during respiration. So the answer is leaves and roots. Then 32. Which of the two can respire independently? Plant parts or animal parts? So, plant parts. Okay? Because animal parts में सारे parts एक दूसरे से जुड़े होते हैं. Then question number 33. From where do roots absorb air needed for respiration? Roots absorb air from air spaces present between the soil particles. Then question number 34. State any one use of yeast. Yeast is used in the production of alcohol. Then question number 35. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. First one, the process of respiration is the reverse of photosynthesis. Then B, food can also be broken down without using oxygen. Then C, aerobic respiration in muscles occur if there is no oxygen available. Then D, anaerobic respiration by yeast convert glucose into alcohol, which is used in making wine and beverages. Then E, yeast is a single-celled organism. Then F, if a person is doing exercise, his breathing rate increases. Then G, breathing involves the movement of rib cage and the diaphragm. So breathing involves the movement of diaphragm and the rib cage. Okay. Now H, when we exercise, not only we breathe faster, we also take dash breaths. So answer is deep. Then I, the taking in air rich in oxygen into body is called inhalation. Then J, the expelling of air rich in oxygen into the body is called exhalation. Then J, the expelling of air rich in carbon dioxide from the body is called as exhalation. Okay? Now K, in human body, oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged in the lungs. Then L, in earthworm, exchange of gases occurs through the moist skin. Then M, in fishes, exchange of gases occurs through gills. Then N, in insects, exchange of gases occurs through spiracles and trachea. Then O, dolphins and whales breathe through blowholes. And last P, in plant cells, oxygen is used to break down glucose into carbon dioxide and water and release energy. So this was very short answer type questions. Now you will be getting the notes of short question answers and long question answers in the form of PDF in your group.
So children, you have to do very short answer questions in book itself and send it to me as your homework. Now short answer type questions that you will get notes in the form of PDF. आपको खुद से नहीं करना है, you will get notes in the form of PDF in your group. Then long answer type questions also I will be providing notes that you have to write in your fair copy. Then multiple choice questions, that is from question number 66 to 85, you have to do it by yourself and you have to do it in the book itself. आपके आंसर की भी साथ में दिए गए हैं. अगर आपको कोई डाउट है you can tally it with. Then higher order thinking skill questions are from 86 to 90, that also you have to do in the book itself. Okay, and at last you have to do summary जो कि आपको खुद से करना है. So that was all about today. So I hope you have understood it well how to do. Again I am going to explain you. सबसे पहले you have to put date, then you have to write chapter number, that is 10, then chapter name, respiration in organisms, then about the chapter, then you have to write the key terms. Very short question answer you need not to do, you will do in the book itself. Then short question answer types you have to write in the copy, in your fair copy. Then long question answers, that also you have to write in fair copy. Then multiple choice questions and higher order thinking skill questions that you have to do in the book itself and send it to me as your homework. And at last you have to write your summary. Okay, thank you and have a great day.